Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding what matters, privacy versus convenience. Pick a reputable VPN with AES 256 or WireGuard and a strict no-logs policy. This is why jurisdiction matters. Once done, choose a plan that covers all your devices and prepare payment. Use anonymous options if privacy is critical. Download the vendor app now. Do not delay. Install on one device first, so you can confirm account activation and basic connectivity before spreading the setup to your other devices. You install the official client on your primary device and log in. This is where secure credentials matter. Configure protocol, WireGuard for faster throughput, OpenVPN if you need wider compatibility, because the protocol affects both privacy and speed. Next, enable the kill switch and auto-connect on public Wi-Fi so you never leak traffic. Make sure DNS leak protection is active, and set split tunneling only if specific apps must bypass the VPN. Otherwise, keep full tunneling for maximum privacy. You verify the setup by checking your public IP and DNS. Confirm the IP shows the VPN server, not your ISP, and that DNS queries are private. Keep the app and device firmware updated, and change passwords periodically to reduce risk. If something goes wrong, first switch servers, next change protocol, and then reboot the router or device. As a final tip, contact support with logs enabled. This helps them diagnose quickly while you maintain privacy during troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.